Transform your videos and protect your creations with a professional watermark, all within CapCut. First, open up CapCut and start a new project, importing the video you want to watermark. Now, tap on the overlay option in the bottom menu. Next, select Add Overlay. Here, you'll choose your logo or image file if you don't have one. You can also create a text watermark directly in CapCut later. Your logo is now on the timeline as a separate layer. You can pinch and zoom to resize it to your preferred dimensions. To ensure your watermark appears throughout the entire video, simply drag the edges of the logo layer to match the length of your main video clip. For a more subtle look, tap on it just below the logo layer. Use the opacity slider to reduce the transparency of your watermark, making it visible but not distracting. Now, drag your watermark to the desired position on your video. Common placements include corners like the bottom right or top left. Alternatively, if you prefer a text watermark, go back to the main editing screen and tap Text. Type in your brand name or website, and then tap the check mark. Just like with your logo, you can adjust the font, color, and size in the Style and Effects menus. Remember to adjust the opacity here as well for a professional appearance, and extend the text layer to cover your entire video. Once you're happy with your watermark, tap the Export button in the top right corner to save your watermarked video. And that's it. Your video is now professionally watermarked, protecting your content and reinforcing your brand identity.